Do you know, there is one series I told, right? Who Not How series. We invested in the open plots area. We are always, last few years onwards, we are in open plots area. I thought that I want to move to the construction side. Even that area also, I want to keep my hand in the construction. Then I thought, I have zero knowledge. What I did is, I saw some YouTube video, how the construction, what about footings, next how the footings are going to be happen, next how many levels are required, I should aware, like, I started open some YouTube videos, and then started taking the notes also. Next, one of my known person in the builder is constructing. Then I went there. Just I spent some time to know how the things are going to be happen. Like, then finally I decided, okay, in 200 square yards, a small house we can construct, so that step by step we will get the knowledge, and then, okay, so we will enter into the construction. So, like, I thought that almost ready to start a new house in the 200 square yards, because I have a number of open plots are there. In one plot, I almost ready. Luckily, I started Who Not How series. Array, if you want to become a builder, how the footings are going to be happen, next how the construction is going to be, that thing is going to take care by contractor. Why we require to aware? What is the need of knowing that? That's not our job. Identify right who, that who is going to take care. That who is going to take care. We are not responsible for that. Then what is the need of knowing all these low level things? If you know each and everything, then only if you want to do that activity, then in your lifetime, 1 or 2 big buildings you can construct, your lifetime is going to be completed. Array, identify one contractor or identify one builder who constructed, okay, who had lot of experience. From that, bring one resource. That resource is responsible for all these things. If you have the doubt whether this person is doing correct or not, identify another resource and arrange the person for the verification kind of thing. But don't do that activity on your own. Have you observed? Then suddenly my mindset got changed like anything from Who Not How series. Then immediately, hey, array, how stupid I am, what low level activity I start, I think to start, like, then immediately I came out of that. Later, I analyzed my Kalpataru, where we are staying, just a brigade, very recent we had. There, do you know, the company, brigade is the different, construction company is the different, then they are going to outsource the construction to some other company. Next, they will finalize architecture with the excellent architect. Then once architecture is ready, then automatically the builder, the contractor is the responsible, okay, for the construction. There is another company they are going to outsource. Just these people are responsible only in the marketing kind of thing. Observe carefully. Okay, if everything you require to do on your own, your life is very small. In that, how many activities you are going to do that? Identify right person. That person is the responsible for our activities. Compulsory. I should learn compulsory. And then I have to complete. And then only I require to do that. This type of mindset, better to remove.